welcome back to Fashion Fairies. In today's video, I'll be setting up a cozy corner in my room. So without any further ado, let's get started. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also the bell button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So I got these pretty white curtains from Amazon. I have added the link in the description. Here are some of my paintings that I had done in the last lockdown. So I added few of my favorite books. So this entire cozy corner is a place where I or my family can sit and relax. Lastly, I added the fairy lights to complete the look, and I just love how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.